This week I build something to help me learn how to manual my mountain bike. Hey there everybody, my name is Adrian, welcome to my channel. This week we are going to be building a mountain bike manual machine. So I've been wanting to learn how to manual my mountain bike for about a year now, pretty much since I started getting heavily into mountain biking, and I never really learned how. And recently while I was browsing YouTube, I found a few videos of people that had built these manual machines to help them learn how, so I thought I'd give it a go and kind of build my own rendition of it. Just something quick and dirty so I could get started learning quickly. Really quick, before we get started, make sure to go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on awesome new videos. Now, let's check out how I built my manual machine. My first step was to cut a 2x4 into 4 2-foot lengths. These are going to be the front and rear outriggers on the base of my manual machine. Once those were cut, I went ahead and screwed down the first pair at the end of my 2x6. To make sure those were centered, I just marked my center points on the 2x6 and the 2x4s and just made sure those marks lined up when I screwed them down. Then I went ahead and screwed down the outriggers on the opposite end of my 2x6. To make sure that I got the right length of 2x6, first I just measured my bike and then added about 2 feet to that length. Then my next step was to cut 4 more 2-foot lengths of 2x4. To do this, I set up a stop block. It's not completely necessary, but it comes in really handy, especially when you're cutting more pieces. My next step was to turn these 2x4s into my wheel retention system. Then I went ahead and screwed pocket holes in the end of 2 2x4s. Then I made a set of L's. Once I had those, I screwed them down to the edges of my board, about 2 feet from the backside of the 2x6. The next thing I made was a 5.5-inch piece of 2x4 to tie together the top of the L's. To make sure that my wheel doesn't roll far forward when I try to manual, I put in this little 2.5-inch piece of 2x4 right in front of it. And the last piece of the wheel retention system was another 5.5-inch piece of 2x4 just to keep the wheel from sliding back. And finally, I cut these 2.5-foot outriggers to use closer to the center of my manual machine. I installed these as an afterthought because I didn't realize how unstable it would be without something to keep it stable in the middle as well. And it's done. As you can see, I have a lot of practice to do until I can actually pull off a manual, but now that I have this quick and dirty manual machine, I can go out in the garage and practice whenever I want. So that's how I built my manual machine. If you guys would like to go build your own, I'll have all the products that I used linked down in the description. And I'll also have some other links and resources to some of the other examples that I used when I went to go build mine. Now, if you guys have any projects that you guys would like to see me build, make sure to go leave your suggestions down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video.